Hello, classmates and teacher. My identification. My name is Liliana Lopez. I am 24 years old. I could live in Bucaramanga, Santander. Study Business Administration, course 10 semester in the Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia, UNED. I am part of the institution. These pictures was taken by my sister, being there by my mother in the children's park in the city for the Bucaramanga, Santander. Enjoy, I'm beautiful, sunset and involved, claim that afternoon. We like and love why my mother, she my life, admiration, and love of my big goodbye.